So, napanood ko yung cover ni Donalyn Bartolome sa Facebook na ginagawa yung Cup Song. And then, after nun, pinanood ko yung movie ng Pitch Perfect. So, naisip ko gawan din ng video. Hindi naman, huwag kayo mag-expect na malalagpasan ko yung cover ng iba. Pero, nag-try ako. Eto. I got my ticket for the long way run. 2 bottle whiskey by the way. And I sure would like some sweet company.